My name is Zion, and this is my wife Valentina, and we've been doing locksmith for over than 12 years now.
Here in our channel, we will share our knowledge and everything we learned over the years. Here you will find everything about locks and keys, whether it's for your home, office, or vehicle. We will cover it all.
Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a push-start fob. It's very simple. The first thing you need is pressing this little button here on the side. And then we can actually take the emergency key out. After you take the emergency key out, you can use the emergency key. You just put it here. And you just open the key to two pieces. And then you can see this small rubber here. Then we got this, we take the board out. And then we can just take the battery out. Right here. I'm going to put the new battery inside. That's it. It's very simple. You can do it yourself. And thank you for watching, guys.